In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Exness using GCash, which is a popular mobile wallet and digital payments app in the Philippines. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side panel of your dashboard, click the Payments and Wallet, and then scroll down until you find the Withdrawal. Here you will find multiple options for you to withdraw your money. And of course, what you need to do is use GCash. Now you need to select the trading account where your funds are located. So in my case, I'm choosing the MT4. And then you need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, this one, okay? You want to make sure that you have enough money in your balance and you need to set the currency. You may also need to confirm your GCash mobile number and other details depending on your account setup. After entering everything correctly, all you have to do is click the Continue button. Exness will now show a summary of your withdrawal request. Double check all the details carefully, especially your GCash number and the withdrawal amount. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button. Once submitted, Exness will process your withdrawal request. Many Filipino traders report that GCash withdrawals are usually processed very quickly. After a successful processing, the funds should appear directly in your GCash wallet. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw an Exness using GCash. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.